Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. On my right hand, this one, our new display models right here. This is a countertop cell in the trap boilers. And let me give you the overall dimensions first. The unit is about like 48 inches wide. And the depths include the back connection pads is about like 28.5 inches deep. And the overall height for this one about like 15 inches tall. So this unit is a trap boilers, and we can see they do having the grills on top of it. And for this cooking area, it's about like 48 inches wide and about like 20 inches deep. And when we slide it up, we can see they do have a U-shaped burners at the bottoms. And at the front, they do have two waste trays, the holes at the top, so you can clean all the dirt through here. And they do have the trays at the bottoms, and you can pull it out and clean them. And also, they do come in with the 4 individual controllers for the burner, and with small pillows at the front, you can monitor the fires. And also, when we're looking the side of the unit, we can see the SA, the sanitation stickers on the side. And also the behind, I mentioned there's a connection pipes for the gas. And this is a connection converter kits. And also they do prepare ready for the liquid propanes, assuming you need to use this one as a liquid propane tanks. And we have a converter kit to use that from the manufacturers, and the manufacturer books can give you more detailed information on. And that's what with all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.